guys, what's up? It's me back here again today. Today I'm going to show you how to change the code on your liftmaster keypad. First, we are going to enter the old pin for your keypad. Let me do that real quick. You guys can see. Then press pound. Your garage door openers will blink twice. Then put in your new pin. We'll use 1, 2, 3, 4 as a demonstration. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then hit enter. They'll flash. Then try your new pin by putting in your new pin. Should operate. So let's see if this pen works. Yay, it worked! So that's how you program your new pin on your liftmaster keypad. I'll change the pin back in about a second. Actually, no, I'm not going to do that actually because I gotta record a video. Bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed.